Some cultures preserve their past in books and museums, others live it every single day. In South Korea, tradition isn't fading, it's alive. In kitchens, in craft, in ceremonies. Today, we journey through 3 places where Korea's oldest traditions not only survive, they shine. This is not just heritage, it's the beauty they built and still protect. Andong Hahoe Folk Village, a living window to the past. Tucked along the calm bends of the Nakdong River, Andong Hahoe is more than a preserved village. It's a breathing museum of Korea's Confucian roots. Its tiled rooftops and clay chimneys whisper stories from over 600 years ago, where noble families once gathered for rituals that shaped society. People still live here, not actors in costume, but real families who maintain centuries-old customs. Morning walks echo with the rhythm of wooden rice pounders, and traditional fermented dishes still simmer in giant earthen jars under open skies. Visitors can witness Jeonju Nori, a fire-lit boat performance unique to this village, celebrated during Confucian memorials. The famous Hahoe mask dance isn't just entertainment, it's satire, social commentary, and ancient storytelling rolled into one. Every stone path and paper-paneled doorway here reminds you, this isn't the past frozen in time. It's the past still moving, step by step. Gwangjang Market, Seoul, where street food meets heritage. In the heart of South Korea's capital, Gwangjang Market bursts to life with sizzling sounds, vibrant smells, and proud stories. Established in 1905, it's one of Korea's oldest and busiest traditional markets, where history is served on every plate. Vendors here haven't just sold food. They've passed down their craft for generations, perfecting recipes like bindaeteok, mung bean pancakes, and mayak kimbap, addictive rice rolls. Elders roll seaweed and rice with practiced hands, while teaching grandkids the rhythm of their work. It's not just about what you eat, it's about who you're eating from. In every stall, there's a sense of honor, in ingredients, in methods, in family names kept alive by flavor. You'll also find traditional textile shops selling hand-dyed fabrics and silks for hanbok, made with time, care, and pride. Jeonju Hanok Village, the heart of Korean craftsmanship. With over 700 preserved Hanok houses, Jeonju is a town where old Korea lives in high definition. But it's more than just picturesque architecture, it's where tradition is crafted with loving detail. In every corner, artisans work on ancient skills, from making hanji, Korean paper that once wrapped royal scrolls, to shaping musical instruments by hand. Tea houses serve brews using medicinal herbs passed down for centuries, each sip rooted in health and harmony. You can learn calligraphy here using brushes made by masters, or watch monks carve sacred symbols into wooden blocks. Tailors still hand-stitch hanbok garments, some of which take weeks to complete using only age-old techniques. And of course, this is the birthplace of bibimbap, not just a dish, but a philosophy of balance and beauty in every bite. From riverside villages, to market alleys, to craft-filled courtyards, Korea's living traditions are more than culture, they are commitment. Here, beauty isn't in perfection, but in preservation. Each handmade item, every ritual, every meal tells a story passed from one generation to the next. And in a world racing forward, these places remind us that holding on to where we come from is itself a kind of progress. Because tradition, when lived with pride, becomes timeless.